Welcome back. I'm Edot Reep, and I appreciate you for tuning in. So, as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, we have another pickup from Saya Collective. Black owned fashion brand, streetwear brand, sneaker brand, high end brand. He's all over the place, but in a good way. So, for all my supporters that's been rocking with me since day one, man, I appreciate you. And with that being said, we haven't seen a Saya bag in a while. This is my first Saya Saturday pickup since sometime last year. Cause my most recent cops have been like pre-orders I've been waiting on. So pre-orders come in the box, and I guess first come first serve comes in the bag like normal. But hey, bag secure. That's what's important. And this particular pair of shoes I was waiting on for a while. You got that Vulture on the back, all black box. That size 12 in the USA colorway, man. This was my favorite colorway out of the pack. And I know a lot of people, or 100 people, were blessed back in December with this shoe for free. I didn't make the cut, unfortunately, but it's all good. I was going to buy these anyway. So let me go ahead and stop talking and show y'all what y'all came here for. The Saya Collective Culture Vulture in the USA colorway. Okay, let's get started. Classic CV 0.02 model. You got the new red outsole, like a rubber. Yeah, rubber outsole. Nothing crazy on that. As far as the upper, you have your navy blue hits, as well as like I want to say it's like a light Carolina, to be honest. I thought it was gonna be more white, but like in hand, it definitely looked like a Carolina blue, like a light Carolina. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. You can see the contrast between the midsole and the upper. But yeah, definitely a clean colorway, man. USA colorway, can't go wrong. I'm not the most patriotic guy in the world, but I do like Olympic themed shoes. I think this is my third pair of Olympic themed shoes. Of course, Olympic 7s, the Pippins, that video should be up there. But yeah, I'm definitely a fan. I watched a lot of early reviews on these, and a lot of people had like defective pairs. They're saying that maybe that's why they were free. Like the stamp on the tongue tag right there, that was like peeling off, as well as the Vulture on the back was peeling off. But my pair is A1, so I can't really speak on like any defects as far as that. It's like a little glue. Like the color ran over on the midsole. Right, I think you can see it on the camera. But nothing major. Nothing for me to complain about. Luckily, I know certain releases, the quality control isn't the best. But, I mean, every pair that I receive has been good, like quality control wise. But yeah, clean colorway, man. You got the red upper with the fly knit material. Of course, like I said, the navy and white or sky blue, whatever you want to call it, white midsole, red bottom, man. And these, I know a lot of people were pairing these up with the gold laces, I think, but I think the white is the cleanest way to go on these. I did get the thick rope laces. I know you guys saw that in the B-roll, but yeah, white thick rope laces, man, probably the best way to go on these, just in my opinion. The gold, I wasn't really feeling that for the particular colorway. But I know the other two colorways in the pack, I know a lot of people like way more than this one. I know one of them remind me of like the New Orleans Pelicans. No offense to everybody down there in NOLA, you know, rep the squad, but I'm not a Pelican fan. I have no use for a Pelican colorway. So this was, like I said, as soon as he showed all three, this was my favorite one by far. My energy did not change. And I waited a while for these. These were supposed to come out last year. I want to say maybe like November, possibly December, but we didn't get a release until Valentine's weekend. So yeah, February 13th, I believe. These came out. It was like a shock drop. And I just got them a couple days, no, yesterday. I just got them yesterday. So I'm filming this, what's today? The 23rd. The only reason I got them so late was because like the weather conditions and everything. But usually when I order from Saya, first come, first serve, on a Saturday, I would get them Monday or Tuesday at the latest. But you know, with the weather and everything, shipping, y'all know, man. That can be a whole other video talking about shipping delays. But yeah, I should have another Saya exclusive coming very soon. So stay tuned for that, man. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hey, shout out to Dion for the tee. Finally wearing it. I wanted to wait until, you know, I could go out in public, but the way this is going, who knows when that would be. So I'm just going to throw a lot of these joints on in videos, man. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, comment what you think about this shoe or the brand in general. If you like this shirt, I'll post that link up there with the video so you can, all the background and everything to it. And I will also link the website and the IG in my description down below, so make sure you check that out. Follow me on my socials, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. I'm going to start posting more there. Sneaker content, of course. I'm not like doing all the dances and stuff. That's not me. But check me out on TikTok and also Clubhouse. If you have a Clubhouse, follow me on Clubhouse. We're trying to start something big in the sneaker community. We're trying to have like a sneaker group. Shout out to Rel. I will link her channel in the description down below as well. She came through last weekend, man, with a lot of knowledge, a different viewpoint. So yeah, it was a good time, man. If she's watching this video, she can contest to the movement that we're trying to start. And you know, it's fun. It's like an open conversation with people in the sneaker game. You know, I wouldn't say sneakerheads because everybody is on a different path, and I don't consider myself a sneakerhead personally. But enough rambling, man. It's been your boy Edot Reep, another Saya Collective pickup, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.